not strong enough for you?
Of course not. I only marry the strongest. 我养鸭挺开心.
Go pass it.
Oh, go pass it.
Oh, really now?
Okay. Alright, cool. And then my gives do a big a smile and then stay for hours.
What's today's date?
That's a
What's
great
today's
birthday
date?
boy.
Today is
Number,
5.
number
Want
4?
to airdrop me the pictures?
Today is November 4th,
Oh, yeah, how many
2025. And we just got done with
What?
our
Oh yeah.
Production
I meant the one with the
meeting.
selfies, but yeah.
music
yeah.
video meeting.
But I think she already.
And
emailed
we
me,
are
right?
so excited
She
for
just
our
did
shoot on.
email.
Yeah, I sent the script. The new
We have an
script.
amazing
And
team.
the AI pictures. Right?
Yeah, it's attached on the bottom.
There's Sarah. There's Dee. There's Shay back there.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you this movie where they actually I don't know maybe the learning to show you or not, but it's called oh no it's
Just knowing that it's slowly coming to an end. I just
I'm just gonna be taking a picture of my angle too.
yes.
Oh my
Now do we have to
Off
pretend that
guard.
like
Yeah, I'm smiling.
그래서 이렇게 그 스포츠 4 年이렇게 이겨지니까 우리가 서포트